What if I told you that a massive planet was sitting right in front of scientists for 11 years, and still, no one could see it? This isn't a science fiction movie, it's real. NASA's powerful James Webb Space Telescope discovered a planet that stayed hidden for years, despite giving off its own light. So where was this planet? Why couldn't anyone spot it before? And could this discovery change how we think about the universe? Let's find out. Where was this planet found? This discovery happened in the star system Beta Pictoris, located about 63 light-years from Earth. This star isn't old like our sun. It's incredibly young. It's only about 20 million years old, while our sun is roughly 4.6 billion years old. That's exactly why scientists have been studying this system for years, because new planets could still be forming here. Here's something interesting. This star is so far away that its light takes 63 years to reach us. That means the light we're seeing today actually left the star 63 years ago. Why did it stay hidden for 11 years? You're probably wondering, how does a planet that big go unnoticed? The real problem is, stars shine so brightly that any planets near them practically disappear. It's like lighting a tiny bulb in front of the sun during broad daylight. Regular telescopes simply can't see past that glare. But the James Webb Space Telescope isn't a regular telescope. It doesn't just see light, it can also detect heat in the form of infrared radiation. And that's exactly what makes it so powerful. What did James Webb see? When scientists studied the data from James Webb, they found a massive, hot planet. This planet is so young that it's still radiating the heat left over from its formation. Webb telescope picked up on exactly that heat in infrared. That's how this planet became clearly visible for the very first time. According to scientists, this is a gas giant, the same category as massive gas planets like Jupiter. Here's another fascinating detail. This planet takes hundreds of years just to complete one orbit around its star, while Earth does it in only 365 days. And if this planet existed in our own solar system, it would appear even bigger and more powerful than Jupiter. Could humans live there? Short answer, no, because this planet has no solid ground. If a spacecraft ever tried to land there, the extreme heat and crushing pressure would destroy it instantly. But that doesn't mean this discovery isn't important. This planet can actually help scientists understand how planets form in other star systems, and maybe through this very research, we'll one day find an Earth-like habitable planet somewhere out there. Why is this discovery so important? The most surprising part is, scientists had been observing this star for years. They believed they already knew almost every major planet in this system. But James Webb proved that the universe is still full of surprises. Here's the most interesting part. Scientists weren't even looking for this planet. They were studying something else entirely, and it simply showed up in their data, completely by surprise. If one planet this large could stay hidden for 11 years, just imagine how many other planets in our galaxy are still out there, waiting to be found. Maybe some of them have oceans, maybe some of them hold life, and maybe someday, humans will reach them too. The universe keeps surprising us, again and again. The more we try to understand it, the more new mysteries appear. The James Webb Space Telescope didn't just find a new planet, it proved that countless worlds are still waiting to be discovered. And who knows, maybe the next planet we discover will look just like Earth. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and stay with us for more fascinating space videos. See you in the next video.